Hey guys, and welcome to the Working Money channel. So the market is still up, guys, and that's a positive sign when I refresh CoinMarketCap. And I know a lot of you guys are giving me flack. Why are you still using CoinMarketCap? Guys, you've got to understand, just because they do not list the XRP market capitalization properly doesn't mean that they are garbage. Well, okay, maybe for that reason they're garbage, but ultimately they're still a very good resource. And just to prove that, when I go to Live Coin Watch, which I know some of you use, the CoinMarketCap is also listed incorrectly. Essentially, one of the only ones that is listed correctly is the Yahoo Cryptocurrency Market Watch, and quite frankly, I kind of don't really like the layout of that. And the one thing you guys don't probably realize is that a lot of these cryptocurrency market watch websites don't actually post the full market capitalization. So I just wanted to show you guys full market cap here. Roughly 174 billion is the market cap of cryptocurrency. On CoinMarketCap, it is 175 billion. So again, you know, I'm trying to find the most accurate ways to convey this information to you guys. And some sites are clearly better than others. Again, if I'm speaking about XRP's market capitalization in particular, I will not reference this number. I will definitely go to Yahoo because, of course, that will make everybody happier. But what I'm really focused on right now is look at this market, right? We're still in green. The charts are looking healthy. We're still seeing a move up. This is Bitcoin on the hourly, and we're still seeing healthy momentum upwards. And what does this mean? Will we retrace? Will we retreat? There are different opinions on this. But the big question on everybody's mind is, are we going to see more of this? And that's what's really interesting here. Binance CEO seems to think that FOMO will follow. The Bitcoin BTC surge shows big money ready for full crypto FOMO. And the CEO of leading cryptocurrency exchange Binance says Bitcoin's pump shows plenty of money has been ready and waiting to jump into the crypto market. In a new tweet, Changpeng Zhao says his previous prediction that more money is parked in pseudo fiat, which I assume are in stablecoins, and he would know the numbers because it is his exchange, then most crypto tokens combined appear to be spot on. According to Zhao, full FOMO, fear of missing out, mode is engaged, and sooner or later, everybody will be in crypto. I could see that happening. He puts out a tweet to that effect. Everyone will be in crypto. Don't get left behind. And so isn't that just an endorsement to sign up for Binance? Guys, I do have a referral link in the description of all my videos. If you don't have a Binance account yet, you probably should get one. It is a very good way not only to buy XRP if your current cryptocurrency exchange doesn't allow that, but there's so many altcoins that you can purchase on Binance. It's just one of the biggest exchanges in the world. And so where are we? We've seen this before, right? The psychology of the market cycle. Are we here? Are we really here? This is a sucker's rally. You know, we've been psyched out so many times before. And so is this market going to keep going up, right? Or are we somewhere around here? Depression. After being in such a bear market for so long, we really kind of are losing faith. And I feel like that's where a lot of people had been over the last couple of months. But realistically, I think that this is it, guys. I think that now that Bitcoin has hit over 5,000, it's a psychological barrier. We are likely to move higher. And of course, I talk about Bitcoin. XRP will follow. All the other coins will follow Bitcoin at this particular time because of the market's immaturity. And 3 reasons Bitcoin price suddenly surged back to 5,000. And this CoinDesk article outlines a couple of them. One of them being technicals were foreshadowing a bullish move. So if you look at the TA, sure. 200-day moving average, yada, yada, yada. That's all fine and good. But, in a manipulated market, it's kind of hard to really pay full and close attention to TA. TA does have its place, don't get me wrong. I love TA and I do follow TA, but you can't only look at TA when it comes to that. Mining reward halving. And so we know that the mining reward is going to be cut in half by May 2020, but wouldn't that seem a little early for a price surge? I don't know. It says down here just at the bottom of this section, the particular price pattern was reminiscent of how the previous bear market had ended at lows near $150 in early January 2015, 17 months before a reward halving in August 2016. But if you guys remember, the market didn't start picking up until mid-2015, so I believe it was July or August 20, or maybe even June 2015. And so an entire 12 months. Well, the mining reward is 12 months away or 13 months away approximately, so That is one theory. I don't believe it's the strongest theory, but it is one theory. And market activity. I don't know if you guys saw the Modern Investors video about this, but there was a coordinated buying up of a lot of Bitcoin over 3 exchanges. And so could that have propelled a bit of a FOMO run? It's a possibility. Mr. B XRP explains what to look at. And I love this guy on Twitter. He really does contribute a lot to the community that's at XRP Mr. I'm keeping an eye on the total market cap of the market and not just prices. During the run up to last bull run, when the market cap was the same as today, December 30th, 2017, the price of XRP was only at 20 cents. So here we are today with the same market cap in a position 80% higher. And yeah, you got to look at this because really the market cap is what dictates how much money is being poured into the entire market as a whole. So looking at market capitalization really does give you a good gauge on how many people find this market important enough to invest their hard-earned dollars into. So another very astute observation by Mr. BXRP. And of course we have Brian Kelly too. He reveals just how high this rally will go. And I'm kind of in agreement with this. He ultimately says that the bulls are in full force and price predictions are back. Crypto trader Brian Kelly has consistently stuck up for Bitcoin even during the market downturn. Now BTC is returning the favor with today's double-digit percentage rally. That was yesterday. Kelly has taken his cue telling CNBC that the 6,000 to 6,500 range is the new resistance, and that's exactly where the Bitcoin price is headed. And probably a reasonable target is close to 6,000 for this move. And so I agree with him completely. To be honest, when you look at the price chart here, and again, this is BTC on the hourly. I'm going to put it on the, I'll put it on the 4 hour just to kind of be able to zoom out a little more so we can see resistance here, a bit of a shelf here. I don't know if you guys can see that right here. Okay, but he said between, what did he say, 6,000 and 6,500? Is that what he said? Let me double check there. Yeah, 6,000 to 6,500 is the zone that he's choosing. And I would concur, essentially, he's probably right here. I would draw it here. Essentially, this is, following tops and bottoms of wicks and tails. So, excuse me. So if we go bottoms of tails to tops of wicks, we are roughly in that zone there. I would draw it there approximately, and that would bring us to 6,026, to roughly 6,813. Okay, so a little higher. I'm bringing it up a little higher here because this is ultimately the next zone I think we need to be in order to... in order for buyers and sellers to probably even out a little further. So ultimately what he's saying is we will start to see bullish movement, and then we'll probably peter in that zone for a little while before we start seeing some more bullish movement. So this is the next price target, guys. My target is, I'm making the zones a little wider, 6,000 to 6,800. He's saying 6,000 to 6,500. Fair enough. They're all just zones, and you can define them how you wish. You can talk about bodies or wicks and tails, etc. I'm not going to talk about that part of candlestick analysis in this video, but that's the zone I'm looking for. And Brian Kelly's ultimately on the same page. And there is this too. The Bitcoin futures had a strong start on Tuesday as the CBOE and CME April contracts increased by over 16% to 48.05. So a lot of things going on in the space, guys. Hold tight. I see a few more bullish, maybe a couple of bearish days in the future. This could happen over a month or 2 months, right? Or 3 or 4, right? We could start seeing the pattern. Ultimately, what we do need to see is the pattern continuing to move up and not just staying stagnant or even worse, decreasing. So let's bring it up here. And so ultimately, let's bring that horizontal line up there. So, right, so we need to see the movement continue ultimately into this direction, and then I'm sure it'll base in here. And where could we see XRP if that is the case? Let's just bring up XRP real quick here. Maybe in the 50 cent range, maybe 45 to 50 is my prediction. So if we see Bitcoin hit that 6,000 to 6,800, we could see XRP 45 to 50. Give or take, guys, are you going to sell your XRP if it hits 45 cents or 50 cents? Tell me what you're going to do in the comments. I want to hear what you guys think. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like the video if you like the content I'm providing. I always love hearing your comments. See you in the next one, guys.